Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Guys, this should be a relatively quick video. I just want to share with you what I was able to pick up at Home Bargains when I went on an essential shop today. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you guys what we got. The first thing that we got were these Haribo Heartthrob Haribo Sweets, and they're just these little hearts that have the white foam on the back and the strawberry flavored gelatin sweet on top. These were only £1 and I thought they were super cute, and I really liked them, so that was awesome. I was really excited for these. I've seen a lot of YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagrammers doing the rainbow popcorn with Skittles. Now, I'm not that creative, and I did try it, and I burnt them. So I stopped. But I saw these packs of rainbow popcorn for 99p in Home Bargains, and I thought, you know what? Why not just buy them? It's got to be easier. I mean, I must have ruined, I don't know how many packs of popcorn. So I just thought these were super fun, definitely colorful. You're getting 60 grams of product. That's a lot of popcorn. And I'm so eager to try these. But if you guys get the opportunity to go to Home Bargains, do pick them up because they are a lot of fun. This bag seems to have a lot more color than this one, but I'm sure they all taste delicious. So I was really happy about that. I picked up a lot of sweets today. I don't plan to be out shopping again for a long time. So I thought when I was out, I needed to get some essential foods and stuff. When I was out, why not just pick this stuff up? And then I won't need to go out again. I picked up these mega pack, the Sweetie Co blue raspberry laces. They are blue raspberry flavored soft sweets. I love laces. Now, I've never seen the blue raspberry flavor, so I'm super eager to try these. And you're getting 250 grams. Guys, these only cost 89p, and I thought that was pretty awesome. I got a pack of these fruity tubes from my brother. My brother brought these to my house. He did a drive-by drop-off for me, and he dropped these to my house. And oh my gosh, these are delicious. These are little fruity, almost like fruity cables, and they've got that white creamy flavor inside. And these say they're jam-packed with fruity flavors, and they are right. They are awesome. You're getting 280 grams for £1. And they are delicious. I honestly recommend these. These have become one of my favorite sweets. We dropped our Haribo. These little chocolate tiny eggs. I've never tried them before. I wanted to pick them up. They're made by Walker's Chocolates of London. I have had Walker's Chocolates of London before. The chocolate is really creamy. It's milk chocolate and it's so delish. And I love the crispiness of the little eggs inside. These little packs were only £1 and I thought that would be fun. They're 140 grams. So I was super happy with those. Guys, I know that you've seen these on my channel before, but I have been using this Manuka Honey Oil Double Action Shampoo and Conditioner. These are 99p each. They're made by, I want to say this right, Mallorca. They're cleansing, restoring, and refreshing, and they leave my hair feeling like silk. I am in love with these. I decided to pick another shampoo and conditioner up because I know Home Bargains bring in a lot of products that they don't stay. I don't know if they're tester products or they buy them in bulk, so they get a large amount, sell out, and then they move on to the next thing. So I didn't want to run out. So I bought more shampoo and conditioner, and honestly, I am in love with this shampoo and conditioner. It is so good. I also purchased this little oil burner. I know you guys have seen oil burners on my channel all the time. I always pick these up when they're on offer because I make gift baskets for charities and things like that. So I always have these around. So this was on offer at £1. They only had one left. I picked it up. I'm totally happy with that. So that's going to form part of a gift basket. What else did we have in here? Okay, I saw this I don't like, when I'm at work or I have to go out, I don't like carrying my full palette of makeup, but I do like to touch up my eyeshadow sometimes throughout the day, especially if there's been a lot of fallout. So I picked this little trio up. It says walking on eggshells. That must be the color. I don't know. But these colors are super pretty, and they're exactly what I wore. So this will be really handy to pop into my really small makeup bag that I take to work with me. It usually has a lip liner, it has a lip gloss, it has some shadows, and it has a mascara. That's it. I don't really carry anything else. But it has this gorgeous, almost champagne. Well, actually, the eyebrow line, or the eye bone, is more of a champagne. We've got this gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery brown for the crease, and the eyelid, we've got this almost taupe color for the eyelid. I'm hoping I'm saying taupe right, but that's how it looks to me. And I just think this is really pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and open it and have a look. So it's completely sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. How do we unseal it? Do we just do this? Oh my gosh, I should be prepared and bring scissors. How do we unseal this thing? Oh, does it have... Oh my gosh, this is proving to be difficult. Oh, okay. It has a tear strip at the side. Just let me... I'm not helping my nails. I'm completely peeling off my nail polish. That is not what I wanted to do. Let's get this off. But I've been quite impressed with some of the makeup that I've been picking up lately from Home Bargains. It's pretty decent quality. I'm not a big fan of definitely not a big fan of their foundations, but their eyeshadows, their mascaras, I'm a huge fan. So inside the pack, these are the colors you're getting. I mean, they are so glitzy and glamorous. You also get these little applicator brushes. This is completely synthetic, and I would never use this little brush, but it's nice to get it just in case. And then you have this little applicator here. Now, this one I probably would use. I would keep this in case I have an emergency, but I probably would never use it. They're tiny. They don't give me the coverage I'm looking for, but how cute. I love the fact that it tells you too exactly where they go. The eye bone or the brow bone, the crease, and the eyelid. So I'm ecstatic about this little thing. I purchased also... These little Wexford & Co. candles have become my go-to candle. I love Yankee, but these little candles are adorable. These are 59p, which I think is a crazy price. I mean, crazy, crazy price. But these ones are sugared phony petals, and it says they're a luxurious candle, and they burn for up to 16 hours. They definitely do. They're amazing. They smell sweet and sugary and delightful, and I cannot wait to start burning these candles. Literally 59p. I thought that was outstanding value. I also love, they have a blackberry one, which is my ultimate favorite, so I'm super happy with that one. But these are super cute. Guys, I picked this up, random purchase. It says it was an ugly doll. It says wage to go. I don't know what that means, but I don't think this is an ugly little burr. I think this is super cute. It comes with a little clip pack that you can clip onto your backpack. But look at this guy. He is not ugly. He is cute. It says, "Are you ready to bake?" Oh, this guy must be a little baker. Oh yeah, because he has his little cookie here. He's hugging his little cookie. But I just think this is cute. I don't think it's ugly at all. And it only cost me 99p. And I just thought it was super pretty. So I'm really, really happy with that. We bought standard mints. These are sugar-free. They're spearmint. They're delicious. I love these little tins. And when I buy mints that are in bags, I usually take them and decant them into this little tin. But I broke my tin, so I needed a new one. These are delicious, and they're so good to have on hand. Especially, you know, guys, when we're wearing masks and stuff, you know, your breath can get a little funky. And with breathing in the carbon dioxide partially, and you're not getting that fresh air in. So it's always nice to have a little bit of mint around. These were only 50p. I thought that was fantastic. Guys, my staple, I buy these. I buy these from Poundland. These baskets are £1. I buy them from Poundland. I buy them from Home Bargins. I buy them from Pound Stretchers. I buy them from big Bargins. I always buy these. So these are £1. They're a pretty decent size basket. They hold all of my things, and they're great for using. I'm just going to pull these out. They're great for storage. I mean, I can get so many things inside this little basket. We'll pop that in. We can get, pop it right down there. We can pop in our eyeshadow, or I'm going to put him up front and center because he is not ugly. My gosh, I'm causing a ruckus. We can get in our chocolates. We can get in our sweets. Look at how many things we can get inside this basket, and it has more room up here to store. Okay, so that one's not going to fit in, but that's perfect. I mean, it stores pretty much everything. Guys, the next things that I bought are masks. I love a mask. I love masks. I bought a huge range of masks. Well, they're not a huge range. I just bought a lot of them. So the first two masks that I purchased are these W7 firming rubber face masks. These are a 2-step treatment. You have your face mask here, and then you have a firming serum that you put on after you take your mask off. And it just leaves your skin feeling super soft. So I'm totally stoked with these. These little firming masks were only 80p. That is an awesome price, because these 2-step masks from anywhere else are usually around £2 each. So I was really happy to get those. These little black tissue charcoal detox facial mask, that was super hard to get out, are also really good. Loving the fact that these are now charcoal and hyaluronic acid. It's so good for giving your skin that burst of moisture. They're anti-blemish. They're revitalizing and purifying. These are only £1 each. They're a single-use mask, but they are biodegradable, and that is pretty awesome. I'm loving her masks. If you guys have not tried her masks, you need to try them. They are amazing. They leave my hair feeling like it's brand new. And I know that sounds really crazy, but they do. This little hair mask is one I haven't tried before. I wanted to pick it up because I love the pattern. But it says, this is a banana hair sheet mask. It's a nourishing hair treatment. It's 100% hydration, which I can guarantee. Not guarantee, but I can stand testament that I've used ones that always make my hair feel super hydrated. They are a smooth hair treatment. It's a moisture and repair formula. So I cannot wait to get this mask onto my hair. And this is how you use them. So after you shampoo, you towel dry your hair and then put the hair into the hair mask and fix it. Gently massage the lotion or the head to absorb and leave in for 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove the hair sheet mask and rinse with warm water. Totally easy. Couldn't be any easier. So guys, this is my Home Bargains haul. I'm super happy with my haul. I'm super happy with everything that I've got. I cannot wait to get tucked into these goodies. I'm super happy. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, I know that this haul was quite rushed. I'm trying to keep my videos under 15 minutes with a huge struggle, but I'm trying to do that. So I'm sorry if I was a little rushed. I will buy less items and go through them better maybe in the next video. If you guys have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. And guys, honestly, please take care. Look out for each other. And please stay safe. I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.